Welcome back to Whitechapel Farm. Thanks for coming with us again on our journey. We've got a busy week. We've got loads done. I'm going to get pulled. What have we been up to this week? Well, we finished off taking down the fence that I started last week. That's all gone. We got the big guns out for that. I got the telehandler. So you're going to get to see loads of the telehandler doing its thing, which is really good considering it's an old bird. I went and checked the well and the water tank. It's been a few weeks since we had all that replaced, so I thought I'd better give you an update. Took you up there to show that. And what else we do? Moved loads of wood. Did a bit of mowing at the end, just to finish off some of the bits that hadn't been cut by the farmer the other week. So busy week, lots done. The weather's been great, but we've had some rain. So for those that laugh at the northerners getting it all wet and cold, it's actually been great for us this week. So let's get on to it, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, so we're right almost at the top of the hill where we live, yeah, our farm is about a mile down that way, and our water tank, yeah, is about a mile and a half that way. So the line, you can see the line here goes down there. We had to have this line repaired, and yeah, it then cuts across the fields down to the water tank, which is roughly down there by about a mile, and then our farm's another, half mile away from that. But this is the work that we had done. So when we first started, it was just a bit of plastic tubing, and it was kind of on the surface, so everything and anything was getting in there. But we've had it sunk. You can't see it here. You can probably see my reflection in the water. But there's an actual spring coming out of the ground. Nice new fresh pipe. And yeah, proper cover and everything on it. So great job by the team to get this in as quickly as they did. It did have some problems there. Like I said, we've had to have the pipe replaced. But yeah, good job. And here we go. So because we've now got the water sorted out at the top, we have a completely full water tank, and water is still coming in, so it'll be going out the overflow. So that is an absolutely great job. Fantastic. Water's beautiful and clear. There's a few bugs around the entrance, but hey ho, the filter will catch that back in the house. Fantastic. Let's come apart like this. Do that with a mower.
Yeah, that was not big yet. You were saying?
Was, so the last camera got ripped off the telehandler, and I don't know when. I just spotted it when I was taking the last gate off. So I'm hoping not too much footage was lost. I'm now going to have to use the grabby and hope that that can hold on, so we can give you a view of what I'm up to.
Go on. Go ahead. Oh, it's sliding off now, look.
Yeah, it's alright. I can do something about that.
It'll slide off. Yeah. But it's catching on one of the forks. Get it off that fork. Yeah, there we go. That'll do. Yeah, you got it. Keep going. There we are. Old telegraph poles, aren't
Yeah, he's used them all over the place. He must have got them cheap.
they? Yeah.
Okay, so that's it for this week. Thanks for sticking with the work. I know some bits can be a bit monotonous. We've got a load of wood left over from it. I'm actually amazed by how much wood was in that fence and that area, but I'm going to spend the next few weeks burning all of this. I'm not going to do it just yet because it's very dry. Even though we've had a bit of rain, I don't want to be the next person on Sky News having created a huge fire and having burnt down half of Northumberland. And having burnt down half of Northumberland and tripping over a dog as I walk. So that's it for this week. I'm really happy with whatever we've done. It might not seem a lot, but actually that bit there has been bugging me for weeks. And what I want to do now is keep mowing this for the next few weeks, and it's going to become the chicken area. So I know I spoke about it a little bit last week, but the whole goal is that here we're going to have the chicken coop, we're going to have a run for rabbits, going to have some geese and everything, as I said on the video last week. So we'll keep mowing this. It is a lot of work to be mowing it, but we'll keep mowing it till it becomes like some grass, and then we'll start building it. But that's not going to happen for a few weeks. So that's it for this area now. It's the last you're going to see of this now for a couple of months. And then when I start building the coop, we'll go from there. In terms of what we're going to be doing next week, I've got to do some repairs to the telehandler. I reversed into the barn with it. So I've ordered some bits. I'm going to fix the door handles. We're also going to get back to demolishing the front barns on the front of the farm, and also I've got to pay back some help that I've had from friends. So next weekend I'm going to be over at Dale's working on his house. He's getting ready to sell and move, so I'm going to go and give him some help for that weekend. And then yeah, we've got to start picking up all the fruit. All the damsons here are now starting to ripen, so Joe's going to be busy taking all the damsons, the plums, the apples down, and probably starting to get on some jam over the next couple of weeks once that's all down. But yeah, that's it for this week. As always, if you're enjoying what we're doing, give us a like. It gives us a good steer of which videos are good and which are less good. If you've got any advice for us, if you've seen something that we've not looked at yet, or you see something that we're not doing, or that we have done and we've done it wrong, please drop us a comment. It's the only way we get to know if we're doing things right or wrong, or take on ideas from everywhere else. That's the only reason why we're doing YouTube, is to reach everybody out there. And yeah, if you want to share this story with other people, please drop us a share. It's really appreciated. And on that, I'm going to leave you all when we're finishing off the mowing. And I got the drone out. It's not a great drone. I probably need to get a better drone. So if you know of any really good drones that can go up high and do some good shots of the whole hill, let us know some good drones to be getting. So thanks a lot. I'll speak to you next week. Bye. Kylo, come on.
All the girls with pretty mouths, they always walk your way. They follow you in cars and bars and even on airplanes. I'm special, yeah, I'm special, 'cause they just don't got Oh, they just don't got what I've got. I'm someone you can take home to meet your mom and pa. I'm your trashy little cupcake dressed in polka dots. So be a loudmouth Yankee lady, baby. You're just the cowboy that I'm looking for. It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take some time. I wanna make it fast. It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take some time. You wanna make it last.